Firefly Boards is an AI-powered canvas that lets you streamline your entire creative process in one place. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the various tools and features in Boards as we create visuals for a new product ad campaign from scratch. I'll show you how to organize your canvas, generate and remix images, create variations, and even how to turn a product image into an engaging video ad. So let's head over to Adobe Firefly and see how it works. So here's the Firefly homepage. To access Boards, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and select the Boards tab. This should open up the Boards dashboard where we can view our previous boards and create a new board. For this demonstration, I'm going to be starting from scratch, so let's select the Create New Board option at the top. And this should open up a blank canvas in Firefly Boards. Go ahead and name your board using the text field at the top. For this demonstration, I'm going to see if I can create a product ad concept for a client project. With Firefly Boards, we have everything we need to keep our workflow organized. From the menu on the left, let's select the text icon and add a heading for my board. Once you add your text to your board, you can change what it says and use the toolbar to customize it however you like. And now that I've added my board heading, let's add another text element for my first step. For this step, I'm simply going to add the product I'm creating an ad for so I can easily reference it during the workflow. So to add the product image to my board, let's click the Add Content tab from the menu on the left. I can then simply find and open up the product image. And here's the product I'll be designing an ad for. Let's move it over underneath the product label on my board. And remember, this is an infinite canvas, so feel free to zoom in or zoom out as much as you need. I'm also going to rearrange things a bit to make room for my other steps. There we go. To add the title for my next step, I'm simply going to copy and paste the first title to keep the same font, size, and everything else consistent. For this step, I'll be gathering inspiration for the ad design. For inspiration, I'm simply going to upload images that may inspire my ad or match my ad's theme. And when you add new images, make sure you resize them and rearrange them on your board. And if things get messy while you're designing, feel free to select all the images, click the Arrange icon from the toolbar up top, and you can arrange the images by rows, columns, or a mosaic. Personally, I like the mosaic. And I now have several images here that I can use for ad inspiration. And this includes things like a thunderstorm, lava, jagged rocks, or a raging river that might be a good theme for my energy drink ad campaign. And while designing, your board can sometimes get a bit cluttered, so I like to use the Shapes icon from the menu on the left to add arrows in between the steps to show the order of the workflow in case we have to share our board with our team or maybe even the client. And let's say I really like the thunderstorm idea and I want to add similar inspirational images. To add more images similar to the thunderstorm, I can simply select the image. And from the menu on the top, I can select the three dots icon from the right hand side. And from the drop down menu, let's select the Find Similar Inspiration option. And this will pull up tons of images from the Adobe library that's similar to the one you have selected. Feel free to browse the images, and if you find some you like, feel free to add them to your canvas. This is a great way to find new images that might match the style of your ad design. I think a thunderstorm would work great with the Storm Surge energy drink. So I've gathered some inspiration for my product ad. So now let's get into the fun stuff. The next thing we'll be going over is how to remix images. With image remixing, we can blend images together to generate entirely new variations. I'll be remixing the product image with my inspirational images to see what we come up with. But before using this product image for remixing, let's first remove the background. We can easily remove the background from images in Firefly Boards by simply selecting it, and from the toolbar up top, simply select the Remove Background option. AI will then start working its magic, and after a few moments, the background of your image should be removed. And my product image is now ready for remixing. To remix images, we simply need to select them both. So let's select my product image, and I think I'll start with the dry cracked ground here. And with both images selected, let's click the Remix option from the toolbar up top. You'll then notice a small grid appear on your mouse cursor that you can place anywhere you like on your canvas. I'm going to place mine right underneath the Remix heading. Each square on the grid will generate an image, so we'll actually have 16 different variations. Let's make the grid larger to get a closer look. And as you can see, the energy drink has now been remixed with the dry ground. Wow, I think these look great. The can might have changed a bit, but we'll be going over how to fix that shortly. I'm also going to remix my product image with my other inspirational images to see how they look as well. This is a great way to compare various themes and see which one works best with the product. Go ahead and go through this process with all your inspirational images, and from each group, select the 2 or 3 that you like best. I can then delete all the other variations, and I'll be left with my favorite remixes. So let's say I just finished discussing the design with my team, or maybe even the client, and we decided that we like this remix style the best. For my workflow, I'm simply going to select it and move it to a new section called Variations. For this step, I'm going to use AI to generate similar images to the image we selected here. We've already decided on the direction for the ad, and this will provide us with more ideas using our selected theme. So to generate variations, let's select the image, and from the toolbar up top, let's select the Vary tab. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select the More Like This option, and an image grid should then be attached to your mouse cursor. So let's place the grid on my canvas in the Variations section, and when you place your grid, the images should automatically start generating. Let's zoom in on my board and check them out. And as you can see, all of the images have the same theme with slight variations. I can now simply browse through the images and select the one I think would look best for my ad. I think several of these look great, but for this example, I'm just going to go with this image here. So let's take the image and move it to a new section on my board that I'm going to call Selection. Here's where I'm going to use AI to swap out the blank can for the actual product and make some other tweaks to the image as well. So to customize the image with AI, let's start by going to the toolbar down at the bottom here and click the Generate Image tab. And this will open up the image generator in Firefly Boards. To add the image you want to edit, simply select the dropper icon here, click on your desired image, then click the Use as Image Reference option. And it should now be added to the Generate Image menu at the bottom. And since I want to replace the blank can with the energy drink, let's go through the exact same process and select my product image. So now, both my selected image and the energy drink have been added to the Generate Image menu. You can now simply enter a text prompt telling AI the changes that you want to make. For my prompt, I'm just going to type in Replace Can. And at the bottom of the prompt field, you can even select the AI model you want to use and your aspect ratio. I think I'll go with Portrait. And once you've entered your text prompt and selected your settings, go ahead and go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. AI should then start analyzing the images, and after a few moments, the can should be replaced. Let's move it over to my canvas so we can get a closer look. And as you can see, it has the exact same setting, but the blank can has been replaced with the energy drink. I think this turned out great. You can even see dew droplets on the side of the can. But the energy drink is called Storm Surge, so I think I need to make a few more changes to my design. So to make more changes, let's go back down to the Generate Image tab at the bottom. Let's remove the previous images and use the dropper tool to select my new image. There we go, and my new image has been added to the prompt field. So for the Storm Surge energy drink, the first thing I want to do is remove the sun. So let's add that as my text prompt, then click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my image and remove the sun. Let's move this image over to my board and add it under a new section called Revisions. So with the sun removed, it's starting to look more like stormy weather, but I think we can improve this even further. So let's use the Generate Image menu to continue editing this version. For the next revision, let's see how it looks if I add lightning to the background. I can then click Generate, and AI should start making my changes. And here's my revised image with lightning in the background. I think this looks much better. The lightning looks super realistic, and it matches the theme of my product. Feel free to make as many revisions as you like. And when you have an image that you're happy with, let's move it over to a new section called Final Image. So I now have a good image I can use, but for this campaign, I also need to include a video ad. Luckily, we can easily do this inside Firefly Boards as well. So to create a video using my ad image here, let's go down to the bottom, and this time, let's select the Generate Video tab. This will take us back to the prompt field, but this time, we'll be generating a video. So let's use the eyedropper icon to select my final image, and from the menu here, go ahead and select the Use as First Frame option. And my image has been added to the first frame in the prompt field. So next, let's delete the previous prompt here, and to turn my image into a video, I'm going to tell AI to make the camera perform a breathtaking dolly in. I think that should look pretty cool. I can then click the Generate button, and let's see if AI can turn my image into a video. Videos may take a bit longer to generate than images, but once it's finished, you should have a dynamic video clip. Let's move it to my board under a new section called Video Ad. There we go. So let's zoom into my new video here and see how it looks. And as you can see, it starts with my original image, and the camera performs a breathtaking dolly in as the can splashes in the water. It even includes audio and the lightning flashing in the background. I think this looks incredible and will definitely grab some attention on social media. So I now have the image and the video I want to use for this ad campaign. But before we show the design to the client, we want to make sure to add the finishing touches. So to finish creating my image ad, let's select the image. And from the toolbar up top, go ahead and select the 3 dots icon on the right hand side. From the menu here, we can select any of these powerful Adobe tools to continue editing our media. To finish creating my ad, let's open up the image in Adobe Express. And with a single click, my image has been exported to Adobe Express for editing. From here, you can customize your image however you like, including adding effects, supporting images and graphics, or any text elements that you need to include in your ad. For my energy drink ad, I think I'll add the text "Power Up." I'm also going to adjust the color and add a shadow effect so it stands out. I think that'll work. So feel free to tweak your design as much as you like. And once you're finished, go ahead and download it by clicking the button at the top. And your image will be saved to your device. So let's head back over to Firefly Boards and upload my new edited ad image. And in my final image section, I'm going to replace it with the new version. And I now have an attention-grabbing image and video that I can use for my ad campaign. I think these look great, and Firefly Boards made the process super easy. You can now share the board with your team or even the client, and they'll be able to easily comment on the board, add notes, or even request revisions. No matter what you're creating, Firefly Boards is the best way to map out your entire workflow. But if you're a video creator, making the content is only half the battle. If you want your videos to actually get seen, you need a tool like vidIQ. Their keyword generator finds high-demand topics before you even outline, and their YouTube AI suite handles your thumbnails, SEO descriptions, and even provides you with daily ideas. You already use AI to create, and you can use vidIQ to rank. I just snagged you an exclusive 30-day trial of the vidIQ Max plan for only $1. So scan the QR code on the screen, or click the link in the video description to try it out. So that's a quick overview of how to use Firefly Boards for a product ad campaign. I encourage you to try it for yourself and see how powerful it is for boosting your workflow. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos for more Firefly tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.